Storytime friends. I'm Miss Sara and welcome back to another virtual storytime. So for this week's storytime, we're going to start off with another one of our favorite songs, Popcorn Kernels. Now I'm in the library, so I have one of our scarves, but since you're at home, you can go ahead and go in your closet and get a scarf if you have one, or you can use a clean washcloth, a clean hand towel, or even a clean tissue, but make sure it's clean. All right, once you have that ready, let's get started. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. Let's do it one more time. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. Good job, my Storytime friends. Now let's get to our story for today. Our story for today is Saturday by Oge Mora. Saturday, written and illustrated by Oge Mora. This morning, Ava and her mother were all smiles. It was Saturday because Ava's mother worked Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday was the day they cherished. On Saturdays, they zipped to the library for weekly story time. On Saturdays, they lounged in salon chairs and got new hairdos. On Saturdays, they picnicked in the grass for a peaceful afternoon in the park. And on this Saturday, they would also ride the bus across town for a one-night-only puppet show. Don't those sound like some fun things? The day would be special. The day would be splendid. The day was Saturday. Ava and her mother could hardly wait. So zoom, off they went. But when they reached the library, what do you think happened? Story time was canceled. Oh no, Ava cried. It's canceled, wailed Ava's mother. They paused, closed their eyes, and let out a deep breath. Don't worry, Ava, her mother reassured her. Today will be special. Today will be splendid. Today is Saturday. So zoom, off they went. But as they left the salon, whoosh, their hairdos were ruined. Oh no, Ava sobbed. Our do's, boo-hooed Ava's mother. Uh-oh, this day does not seem to be going as planned. They paused, closed their eyes, and let out a deep breath. Don't worry, Ava, her mother reassured her. Today will be special. Today will be splendid. Today is Saturday. So zoom, off they went. But their peaceful afternoon at the park, I wonder what's going to happen, was loud. Oh no, Ava groaned. What did you say? It's too noisy, yelled her mother. Oh, look, here's Ava and her mother. They do not look like they're having a good time, do they? Look at all these people in the park. I bet it would be kind of noisy. They paused, closed their eyes, and let out a deep breath. Don't worry, Ava, her mother reassured her. Today will be special. Today will be splendid. Today will be ruined if we miss that bus. So zoom to the extra special, one night only puppet show they went. Do you think they'll make it in time? We made it, Ava exclaimed as they arrived at the theater. Thank goodness, Ava's mother sighed in relief. Hooray for Saturday, they cheered. Tickets, chirped the lady at the door. Ava's mother reached into her purse. Uh-oh, what do you think's gonna happen? Does she have the tickets? Are they gonna see the show? Let's find out. But the tickets weren't there. Oh no, Ava's mother gasped. I left our tickets on the table. As Ava watched, her mother crumpled. I've had it, she sighed. Story time was canceled, our hair was ruined, the park was loud, and now we're missing the puppet show. I'm sorry, Ava. We looked forward to this all week, and I've messed up everything. I've ruined Saturday. Ava was quiet for a moment. Then she closed her eyes and let out a deep breath. Don't worry, Mommy, Ava reassured her. Today was special. Today was splendid. Saturdays are wonderful because I spend them with you. So slowly, hand in hand, off they went. When they reached their apartment door, Ava turned to her mother. She had an idea. What if Ava started. You know, we could, her mother began. So they did. So here they are in their apartment. What are they making? Yeah, it looks like they're making some hand puppets, and they're going to have their own one-night-only puppet show. What a beautiful day. And here's Ava and her mom at the end of the day. So even though nothing went according to plan, they still made the most of their wonderful Saturday and had a great time. All right, now let's get to our flannel board for today. My story time friends. So our flannel board today is to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. And it's all about emotions. Since Ava and her mother experienced a ton of emotions in our story, we're going to learn about some on our own. All right, so here we go. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're surprised and you know it, say, oh my, oh my. If you're surprised and you know it, say, oh my, oh my. If you're surprised and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're surprised and you know it, say, oh my, oh my. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo, boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo, boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo, boo-hoo. If you're scared and you know it, shiver and shake. If you're scared and you know it, shiver and shake. If you're scared and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're scared and you know it, shiver and shake. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're silly and you know it, make a funny face. If you're silly and you know it, make a funny face. If you're silly and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're silly and you know it, make a funny face. All right, great job, my storytime friends. Now we're going to say goodbye to our flannel board, and we're going to sing a couple more fun songs. First song we're going to sing is to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and it's called Feelings. I have feelings, so do you. Let's all sing about a few. We get happy, we get sad, we get scared, we get mad. I am proud of being me, that's a feeling too, you see. I have feelings, so do you. We just sang about a few. Good job, my storytime friends. Our second song is called The More We Get Together, and I'm going to do it with some motions, but they're really simple, so you can just follow along. Okay, here we go. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Great job, my Storytime friends. You did an awesome job with our songs today and listening to our story. That is it for this week. But next week, I will be back with another story and some more fun songs. And be sure to stop by the library to pick up the packet that goes with our Storytime theme this week. And remember that you can come into the library to check out books. Make sure if you are ages 3 and up that you're wearing a mask covering both your mouth and your nose so we can keep everyone safe. And also, parents, everyone who is 15 years and younger needs a parent or guardian with them while they're in the building. And remember, we still have a 15 limit item checkout, just so you know. And if you're not comfortable coming into the building, that's perfectly fine. Our drive-through window is available for you to use. You can just call up to our desk and we will get all your materials that you want and send them downstairs for you to pick up. And if you're not comfortable picking up any of our materials at all, that is also okay. You can use our digital resources on Overdrive, or you can get the Libby app, and you can also use Hoopla. All right, my Storytime friends, that is it for this week. I will see you next week. Have a wonderful week. Bye.